Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install apps from App Store on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. To do that, press the side button to open the control center on your Apple Watch, and then check if your device is either connected to the Wi-Fi or using mobile data. Next, press the digital crown, and before we enter App Store on your apps list, first you're gonna have to set up a passcode for your Apple Watch. To do that, scroll down to settings, then open them. Then scroll down until you see the passcode settings. Tap right here, tap turn passcode on, then enter the new passcode for your device. Use it anyway. Once again, enter the passcode. And now you can exit the settings menu and go back to the app menu. Now scroll to the App Store, then open it, wait for this application to start, and now you can download one of the featured apps by selecting the category and tapping the get icon next to the app you want to download. Or you can search for the application using the search field. Tap search. Then you're gonna have to tap in the bottom right corner and select one of the input methods, the keyboard one, the draw one, or the voice input. So let's search for some specific app, iMaps. Okay, it's not exactly what I said, but let's try another way. Tap search and wait until App Store finds our application, then tap get next to it, and then wait for the application to download and install. But before that, double click your side button to install this application. And now let's wait. And once the app is downloaded, you can open it by pressing open right here, or you can go back to the app menu, find your application here, and open it from here by tapping on it. And if you want to remove an app, you have to hold your finger down on it and tap the X icon in the top left corner of this application, then confirm by clicking delete app, and this way you will remove the application installed from the App Store. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.